Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is after middle school. Correct. Number two, I will see you on. Yes, easy show today. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Is Bob in high school now? Is Bob in high school now? High school. High school is after elementary school and middle school, before college. Now we can make a flashcard for high school. Please make a card like this. Write high school, two words. Up here, IGH. SCHOOL. Down here, CTY 1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 24 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. High school, high school. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Do you come here every Monday? Do you come here every Monday? Monday. Monday is after Sunday and before Tuesday. Now we can make a flashcard for Monday. With Monday, we always write capital M. If it is one day, we say, I will come here on Monday. We always use on if it is one day. Please make a card like this. Write Monday up here in the top left corner. MONDAY. Down here, day 1. And the number over here, 2 out of 7. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Day, Monday. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned high school, yes, HIGH. I will see you on Monday, MON. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, shell. This is the covering for something that grows in the ocean. Number 2, not hot, not cold. Warm, that's right. Number 3, to leave something somewhere for somebody. I will leave the pen on the table for you. Please write your language on the other side of the card My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for learning English here.